welcome back to another vision impaired makeup tutorial showing you my filming makeup routine. This is my more professional one for when I want to look a bit more professional in my videos, so let's just get into it. So before we get into doing my makeup, the first thing I will do is usually wash my face, make it nice and cleansed and clean, and then put on a bit of moisturizer if it feels a bit dry before I actually do my makeup look. Now for today's vision impaired makeup tutorial, I'm doing my more professional makeup look for when I'm filming videos, so let's just get into it. So next up is time for concealer to hide those pimples. So I have been using this one, but I'm almost out. So I've gone back to using this one, which I don't like as much. For someone with a vision impairment, this is a lot easier than this because it looks like that. But that's what I'm going to be using today, since this one is almost to its end and it's very hard to squeeze out at the moment. So I'm going to be very careful using this one. Just paint it on. Now it's time to blend it all together. Next, we move on to this, which I'm just going to put on my face and then use a brush to move it around. It's just going to make it a lot easier for me to put the makeup on. It's kind of like a powder, but it's also sticky as well. Next, it's time for makeup. Finally, ending with powder. Then finally ending with a little bit of lipstick. And there you go, another vision impaired makeup tutorial showing you my filming makeup routine. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!